So what's up guys, hope you are doing well, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can duplicate or set this home screen setup on your Android devices. And guys, please watch till the end because I'm sharing some of the app promo codes with you. So what you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, let's get started. So guys, this is the stock Android look on my Redmi Note 7. So I'm starting from the very first. You have to download the wallpaper firstly from the link in the description that I have mentioned, and go to your gallery, set it as wallpaper. Now you have to place this plain like structure at the right side of your home screen or phone. Now you're good to go with the wallpaper, just apply it to your home screen. Now guys, for the icons, you have to place it at the left side of your home screen in the straight manner like this. You can use the 70% of the icon size for your preferences if you want to copy that. And here I am using the launcher V.2 launcher not from the Play Store. I'm here using from a website, and I will also link it below so you can check it out. And now guys, for the widget, what you have to do is just tap on your home screen, and here you can see the widget option. Go through that and you have to search for the KWGT slot. And guys, here you can see so many of sizes, but you have to choose whatever you want because you can resize it. So guys, for resizing you have to tap on that and just resize it as you want, or you can copy that from this view. Now guys, after resizing it, what you have to do is click on that and you will go to the page where all the KWGT packs that you have downloaded on your smartphone will appear. Now guys, here you have to choose this widget, that is widget number 108 from the outline KWGT, and tap on that. Now you have to guys maximize the size of this widget from the layer option. Now for your preferences, I'm here using the exact size of 115.1, so you can also copy that and go to the item option, stack group for positioning, and you can position it as you want, but I'm here using it at the left corner like this. So you can also copy that and just save it from the right button here. And guys, here we good to go with the widget itself, and it is so minimal look of widget, so you can also use any type of widget if you want. Now tap on your home screen, go to the home settings. Now guys, okay, so I'm starting with the first, so you have to go from the theme option, here you can see that, and go to the icon pack. Now you have to drag the Vera icon pack, that is a paid icon pack, but I am also sharing 5 promo codes with you guys, so you can use that as you want. So guys, what you have to do is you have to go to my Instagram and follow me there on my Tech Spotlight YT, and guys, you have to DM me asking for this Vera icon pack promo code. So guys, it is based on time to time, so you have to go first if you want that. Guys, I want to say a little about this Vera icon pack, you can see. So guys, this contains 552 icons in all, and with the 25 exclusive dark wallpapers, so you can check that out. Also guys, there are so many features in this. They are fresh color gradients and very beautiful to see on your home screen. And guys, this gives me a professional and high quality design look on my home screen. So guys, you can check that out from the link in the description, or you can also participate to the giveaway. And guys, in the last, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and there are so many of giveaways or promo codes coming on my channel, so for that you have to subscribe to my channel. And guys, yeah, this is Tech Spotlight signing out.